Hello, all my nieces and nephews. It's Uncle Chris. I am once again going to the food pantry. As you can see, everybody, I'm in line. And look how far the line goes. Whoa. All right. I'll film as much as I can. But I will get back to the Uncle Chris kitchen and let you see what I get. Okay? All right. Bye-bye. Hello, all my nieces and nephews. It's Uncle Chris. I am out of breath because I just got back from the food pantry. And let me tell you, this has been a true blessing because this is the ultimate food pantry, haul. I'm so dramatic. Okay. I don't know where to start. I'm truly excited about this. Okay. We're going to start from left to right. But we are going to show a surprise. Yes, look at this. We got meat from the food pantry. Look at the size of this beef I got. Oh, look at that. This is 5 pounds. I mean, anything from cheeseburgers to chili to beef on a pizza to tacos. Hey, whatever. Use your imagination. I also got some Italian sausage. Hot, spicy Italian sausage. I'm going to show you how to make my Texi-Mexi pizza. It's really cool. Got some tortillas. That's always good. Taco night. Ooh, ground turkey. I can make turkey tacos, turkey burgers, turkey tetrazzini. I think I'm going to surprise you all with turkey tetrazzini. Oh, wonderful chicken. Yes. Whole young chicken. Yes. And then I got some beef patties right here. We can always, of course, do Salisbury steak and stuff like that, you know. Oh, chicken in the pack makes wonderful chicken salad. But you can also make casseroles with this. Now, I want to show you something that they had that was left over from the holidays. Ooh, put my finger in the camera. Don't be afraid to get things like this. Because, well, they got so many preservatives in them, they'll last forever. Besides, when you put this thing together at Christmas, you're not going to eat this. It's so pretty, it's going to stay up to New Year's, and trust me, it'll be drier than my jokes, okay? It's really cool. It's something to do with the kids. Ain't this nice? All right, so hold on to that for Christmas. Believe it or not, I'm telling you now. Listen to your Uncle Chris. Now, we're going to swing over this way past the sink here. I promise I will do a kitchen tour as a before and after. As soon as we can get the kitchen done and finished. Now, let's hit the canned goods. Oh, where do I start? We got some vegetarian chili with beans. Tuna chunk. Ooh, let me focus. Look at this. Tuna. See the chili again. Vegetarian. We got some more tuna. Chunk-like tuna in water. I prefer it. The oil gives it such a good taste, but the water's so much better for you. Some tomato sauce. This is going to be very handy because I'm going to show you why. I got something really cool. I also got some more salt-free corn. They allowed you to go shopping, which was really cool. And, of course, I got some cranberry sauce because I'm crazy about cranberry sauce. I got 2 of those. Got some more, diced tomatoes. I got some salmon. 2 cans of heart-healthy cream of mushroom soup. That means it has a lot less sodium in it, okay? Let me see how much it's got in here. It's only got about, I can't even see it. Hold on. We got 410 milligrams of sodium, which is much better for you, okay? We also got, now you know, me and macaroni and cheese. You know I'm going to make my macaroni and cheese. But then again, I might surprise you with a casserole. Let's just see how we do on that. Oh, blueberry Nutri-Grain bars. I'm going to give these to Jay because he likes stuff like that. Yeah. Now, the reason why I was so excited about having that pizza sauce and tomato sauce, I'm going to show you how to make your own pizzas at home. I was lucky enough to get these flat pizza breads. These come out so delicious. You will never order a pizza again, I'm telling you now. I got some dried beans. I'm going to show you how to do these from scratch. Navy beans are delicious. Pinto beans. I'm going to show you how to make refried beans with these. Okay? Got some SpaghettiOs for Jay. He's going to love that. Yes. Kidney beans for some chili. Dark red. I also got some peaches because I'm going to make a peach cobbler out that. I guess I am. Can of pork? Yes. Oh, let me show you something. So we got the can of pork, right? We also got some sriracha. This is really good chili sauce, Asian chili sauce. You can do some fried rice with this. Pork fried rice, you see, with the pork. Or I also got some barbecue sauce. We can do pork sloppy joe and some barbecue sliders. Strawberry jelly. I can make my sweet heat berry sauce with that. I'm going to show you how to do that. Some peanut butter. Ooh, pumpkin spice. Now, I believe, is this coffee? I'm not sure. Anybody out there know? Let me know. I'm not sure. I'll read over this. I'll let you know. Got some eggs. Oh, more cheese. And, of course, some wonderful cookies left over from St. Patrick's Day. Still nice and fresh. Jay's favorite, Pop-Tarts. He's going to go crazy. I'm going to get him these later on today. I got some more of that dried milk. That Mountain Made is really good. You know, just concentrate it and it comes out really nice, you all. Now, a true blessing over here. I got some fresh vegetables and fruits. Oh my goodness, broccoli. I got 4 crowns of broccoli. I'm going to make broccoli cheese soup. I'm going to show you how to do that from scratch. 2 bags of jalapenos. Yes, the Latin in me just couldn't resist. Okay. All these tomatoes are going to be delicious for my veggie pizza I make. I got some tomatillos. Those are going to be great when I make my green salsa. I'll show you how to do that. I have a plethora of oranges. Look at that. All different types. A pineapple. I might just make pineapple orange juice. 4 avocados. Some applesauce for Jay. He's going to like that. Ooh, berry. What else we got here? What does it say here? Because, you know, I can't really say. Oh, unsweetened applesauce. He'll put honey in that. Mixed berry applesauce. And cinnamon applesauce. Okay. So I got 2 mixed berries here. Make sure he gets that. I also got a bag of these little aged white cheddar treats. I'm going to put that in there for his lunch. He's going to really like that. You know. I also got some ring pops for my little boy. Yes, I did. You know, he's the light of my life. All right. 4 orange juices. That's very important. Put that for Jay's lunch. Then for the adults, yes. Oh, they were giving out lovely flavored waters. LaCroix. Oh my God. I got LaCroix flavored. And I got a whole pack of pure life water. This is truly a blessing. Just look at this. Let me pan this. Just look at that. Amazing. You know, like I said before, you all don't be afraid to reach out to the food pantry. And if you've got a question on how to cook some of this stuff, just ask me. I will be more than happy to answer the question or show you how to cook it. Or if you've got a recipe idea, I'll feature it here on Uncle Chris, okay? All right. Listen, reach out to End World Hunger to find food pantries near you, or just Google food pantry near me. If you're in need, reach out. Do not be ashamed. All right? All right. Till next time, all my nephews and nieces, like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell. I'm going to have several videos coming out showing you how to cook with all of this. Truly a blessing. Everyone, stay blessed, stay loved. Till next time, family's everything. All right.